feed through there. There we go. There we go. Look at that. Easy. Like I said, the rag method is definitely the way to go. It's the easiest way to do it, bro. I'm telling you, no cap. And y'all see, this one is burgundy. So, like I said, I gotta get a blue one. But other than that, this door panel should come. Oh, I gotta take this lock off. But like I said, other than that, this door panel should come on and off. And then while I got this door panel off camera, I'm gonna go ahead and fix my door lock again. You know what I'm saying? I need to fix the door lock. So pop on out. This is one reason why I love old school cars, bro. But it's so easy. So easy to work on. Put a little bit of extra tape on it on the sides just to hold it down while it's gluing, you know what I'm saying? Just to give it a little more extra power while it's gluing down, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, I use my Gorilla Spray adhesive glue, and yeah, just put the tape on there to actually hold it down while the glue is drying with it, you know what I'm saying? So everything is glued down. Y'all see little glue droplets. What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce back with another video. Now if y'all haven't watched the last two videos, basically y'all have seen the door panel. Now if y'all have seen the last two videos, like I said, y'all have seen the new door panel that I finally have for this box Chevy, the matching door panel, the last and final one, the last and final thing that I actually needed for this interior, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I went ahead and showed it to y'all 2 videos ago, and we cleaned it last video, so now it's looking really spiffy, you know what I'm saying? Looking really good. So this video we're gonna pull this door card, and I'm gonna try and see if I can get that backing off of here and put on to the one I just bought. Now y'all know the one I just bought is not perfect, it's not in the best of shape, but it's a matching door panel, and that's, like I said, that's what I need. I've been searching for far too long to just let that one go by, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm glad I got that one, and you feel me, it's everything gonna work out, you know, everything's gonna be good. So now what I gotta do is get in my charger, get out some tools, and we're gonna pull this door card off. Now I was gonna do the weather stripping on that one, the new one I just got, but I'm actually wait to do that one because the weather stripping on there is actually still it's in pretty good shape still. So I'm not gonna take that one off and put the new one on just yet. I'm gonna wait a little bit, hold off on it, and that could be another video for another time when I need to record videos. You feel me? When I'm low on videos or something, that's when I can actually go ahead and do that, you feel me? So like I said, I'm gonna save it and do it later on. Like I said, I'm not in a rush for it right now, you know. It'll get done when it get done, but yeah, I'm gonna wait on it. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video though. We're gonna try and see what we can get done, and hopefully I can get that backing off and put it on to the door panel, and we're gonna throw the door panel in the car, because I need, you feel me, on that door panel, you know, the clips that go onto the actual door frame, it's broken off on that one. So I don't know how I'm gonna actually get that door to stay on, you feel me, without like flopping and stuff. I mean, it'll stay on with this maybe, and I know it'll stay on with the hook or the handle, the manual handle, and then it'll clip in here. But I don't want the bottom to be flappy, you know what I'm saying? Like this side, the bottom there is poking out because the clip won't. I gotta get like either new clips or something else, you feel me, to be able to get that to stay. But yeah, the last door panel will match this one, and we're gonna be installing it today, but not this video, but we will be installing. So y'all just gotta stay tuned for everything. But make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all. That way y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share these videos, keep growing and elevating together. Let me get in my charger, grab a few tools out like screwdriver and stuff, and the little pry bar and stuff. Not the pry bar, but the little pry tool. And we gonna get to work on taking this door card off and trying to see what we can get done. So y'all just stay tuned until I get my tools out. Alright y'all, so y'all know I gotta get this handle off. So I got my little tools in here to try to get the clip out, but if that don't work, if I can't do it with that, I also got my rag. So I showed y'all the rag method last time, but like I said, if I can't get it out with those tools, then I'm gonna just use the rag. But I need to go ahead and grab a bungee cord so I can hold the door open, because if not, it's gonna keep moving. So turn y'all towards me. All right, we got a bungee cord right here. Got two of them actually. So good old daily carrying all my junk. So what I'm gonna do is hook it like right in here, and then I'm gonna put two of them together and see if I can stretch it. Nope. I'm gonna just stretch it to the wheel, just like it, and that will hold my door open. Because if not, the door will keep swinging and swinging, and it'll stay like somewhat almost closed. So you don't feel like dealing with that. So yeah, let me go ahead and sit y'all up. There we go. And let's try and get this pin out. Almost. And it don't help that I can't see. Yeah, don't feel like doing that. So let me just go ahead and get the rag, shimmy the rag up in there. Come on. Hold on. Move that little plastic piece. Come on, Greg. Feed through there. There we go. There we go. Look at that. Easy. Like I said, the rag method is definitely the way to go. It's the easiest way to do it, bro. I'm telling you, no cap. The rag method is definitely the easiest way to do it. Now I gotta try and get this clip back in there without losing this clip, which is another hard part, bro. Cause this clip like to go bazinga, bro. Like go crazy. You know what? I do not feel like dealing with that right now. I'll get it later. Let's go ahead and undo these screws though. And luckily I got my battery on the charger, because these lights are on and the battery will go dead. I need to upgrade and get a better battery that can hold this power, because this battery be going dead quick. The Duralast, I got a Duralast battery on here, and this mode be going quick, bro. I forgot I had them bungee cords on. I was wondering why the door would not come to me. Out there. Not too big. I need like a flat head. There we go. Gotta make work with what you got. And y'all know this was the only thing left of my driver door panel in this car. Everything else was gone. You feel me? Everything else was gone. So I'm gonna have to try and find this piece here. I'm gonna have to try and find a blue one for my car. Let me bring y'all a little closer. And then turn y'all straight. Is that look straight? Y'all gotta let me know. Do that look straight? Good enough, hopefully. But like I said, I gotta get a blue one of these, cause y'all know this one is burgundy. But other than that, everything else should be good to go. You feel me? So like I said, we're gonna be pulling this door panel off, trying to see what I can do with it. And then it should be one screw at the bottom, because it was missing a screw. Oh nope, I'm missing two screws. And y'all see this one is burgundy, so like I said, I gotta get a blue one. But other than that, this door panel should come. Oh, I gotta take this lock off. But like I said, other than that, this door panel should come on and off. And then while I got this door panel off camera, I'm gonna go ahead and fix my door lock again. You know what I'm saying? I need to fix the door lock, so I'm out. This is one reason why I love old school cars, bro. But it's so easy. So easy to work on. So easy to work on, bro. I'm telling you. I love old schools, man. I'm telling you. So, like I said, what I need off is this little cardboard here. And I don't know how easy it is to get off or what. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it because of the stitching. So, yep, it might be SOL, but at least we got this one off, so it'll be easier to install the next video. But like I said, while I got that off, while I got all of this off, I want to go ahead and fix my lock. Also, I need to tighten up my door handle. So, yeah, now I gotta change the title of this video. Fixing. Alright, so yeah, had to change the title of the video. So yeah, like I said, we was gonna try and pull the, or basically I need to get these out as well. So basically what we was gonna try and do, get y'all, was get this little cardboard off, put it on the back of this one. But I don't think that's gonna work because this cardboard is stitched together on this material and stuff. So basically all I'm gonna do in this video is get my glue this down, and then maybe I'm just gonna have to tape this up or something so to quit flopping everywhere. So I think that's what I'm gonna do, just tape it up and then pull off really whatever I can. I just hate that this part's gonna be floppy. Yeah, I'm gonna grab my glue, I'm gonna glue this on down, and then I'm gonna fix this lock, because this lock, y'all see the thing came off of it, so it keep falling. And then my door handle is loose, so I'm gonna tighten that up as well, which is literally just 2 bolts right there. So let me go ahead and grab my socket set and do all that. I'm gonna do it off camera because for one, my camera finna die, so gotta let y'all charge up for a second and then try and do a little bit of work on the door panel, and we're gonna move on from there. So y'all see the back of this one got tape on it, so I'm gonna just put some tape on that one and just rock out like that. So yeah, let me go ahead and get to work, do as much as I can, and I will catch y'all most likely when I'm finished, you know what I'm saying? So stay tuned. Alright y'all, so got everything done now. I got my door panel glued, and I put a little bit of extra tape on it on the sides just to hold it down while it's gluing, you know what I'm saying? Just to give it a little more extra power while it's gluing down, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, I use my Gorilla Spray adhesive glue, and yeah, just put the tape on there to actually hold it down while the glue is drying with it, you know what I'm saying? So everything is glued down. Y'all see little glue droplets. So yeah, I got these sides. So this side is glued down best as I can get it, and this side is glued down. Like I said, I put the tape on there for extra help. And then the bottom, y'all know it was flapping. It's not doing that no more because I added some tape here as well. You feel me? Once the glue dry, I'm gonna take this side. Excuse me. Once the glue dry, I'm gonna probably take the side and tape off. If not, if you can't see it when I put the door panel on, I'm gonna just leave it on there for extra security, you know what I'm saying, until I'm able to like get some of this to put it back here, you feel me? So yeah, like I said, I wanted to use this one, but it's stitched on. Y'all see, it's stitched on there, on here. So yeah, it just wouldn't have worked out. So we're just gonna rock out like this with this one. Put some tape on there to give it a little bit more strength, you feel me? And I'll put a few of these clips in, 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. I don't have one down here, so this side is gonna flop, and then this one I can't put in there because the hole just not strong enough, and then this one is just gone. So, but other than that, man, we got all of that done. You feel me? Got it taped up. So hopefully it's strong enough. But yeah, and y'all know we got this. They go back in there, and then got my lock. Got my lock, and then the door handle is still a little wiggly. I tightened the bolts in the back of it, so I don't know why it's like that. And then this one is just this side. So I don't know. I tightened, like I said, I tightened the bolts that are. Can y'all see them? Yeah, y'all see them now. So those bolts, I went ahead and tightened them too. So I don't know why it's still shaking. Like, they're tight as I can get them. I can't get them no tighter without stripping them. So yeah. But other than that, man, I need, well, this one ain't really gonna bother none, I don't think. But they so brittle that they crack so easily, bro. See? And I'm barely even putting pressure on it, and they crack. Look at that. This one done. But luckily, I had just bought some for my cutlass. So whenever I get the cutlass back, I can pull them, the brand new ones that I bought, out of there. Come on out, man. These so brittle because they so old. So yeah, they ain't no good. This is trash. But yeah, like I said, man, the door panel should be fine. We're gonna install it in the next video. This video was basically about getting my lock fixed, tightening that up, and trying to fix the door panel as much as possible. You know what I'm saying? And I think we did pretty good. You know, like I said, I glued down the siding so it's not floppy no more. Excuse me again. Taped up this area that was flapping, so it shouldn't flap no more, even though it's not gonna be clipped in with these little clips because the hole is missing there. This one not right, you feel me? So yeah, this side will be down, and this side should be down because of the manual handle right here, and then it got 2 of them right there, so the top will be good, which the top clamps in anyway, that part do. But yeah, this side might flap just a little bit, but it shouldn't do too bad, you feel me? So like I said, next video we're gonna go ahead and put this back in, put the door panel on, and then we should be done, you feel me, with the little door panel project. So yeah, this little couple series of videos got all that done. So yeah, I will catch y'all in a second for the outro, clean up my tools and stuff. Catch y'all in a second for the outro. Y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, so that's gonna be the end of this one, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like I said, we done a little bit of work, you know what I'm saying? We got the door panel somewhat better, you know what I'm saying? I was hoping I can swap the back of the door panel that was already on here, put it on that one, but yeah, I can't do it, you know what I'm saying? Can't get that done. I can't anyways, you feel me? Maybe somebody else could. But yeah, we'll get that all sorted out later on down the line. I just want to get this door panel in so I can see the full interior of this car with everything done, bro. I'm telling you, I'm so excited, man. I'm so excited to install it. So yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video though. It's gonna be the end of this one, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, that way y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share these videos, keep growing and elevating together. Stay tuned for the next video. We will be installing the door panel in the next video, so y'all stay tuned for that. But like I said, I love y'all, I appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless. Drive safe and just be safe in general. Peace. Well, make sure y'all stay tuned for the next one. I think I said it already, but yeah, I love y'all. Keep God first, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.